Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the right way to change the oil on this nice Craftsman lawnmower. As is customary, we just flip it over on its side. Oops! Oh wow! Don't do that. Right? Keeping it real, but I figured I would just show you guys how I make a mess. This is how you want to do it. Made a mess? Clean it up with SuperClean. Available at AutoZone. This stuff is pretty good. I have another product that I don't like as much. This is more like kitty litter. The other stuff is weird. But this is like the Dryzol. We used to do what we call the Dryzol dance in Auto Shop, where you stand on top of it and you kind of grind it into the floor. Alright. So clean up. Made a mess. But SuperClean's going to help us out. Thanks, SuperClean. Alright, cut. Alright, cleanup assistant. Where are you? And where's my beer assistant, too? She's not here today, Arch. She took a quality of life day. I need some help over here. Can somebody finish cleaning this thing up?